Today, please introduce yourself.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Julian S. La Pastora, 29 years old. I live at Barangay Buga, Leon, Iloilo. I have lived-in partner with one son. He's already 7 years old. I have one brother and 3 sisters, and I'm the third child in the family. I am undergraduate of Bachelor of Science and Technology. I did not finish my study because of financial problem.
Okay, so it means you are a college graduate or a college undergraduate.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so and can you tutor kids?
Yes, ma'am.
And you have one son.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the one who's taking care of your son since his birth?
Yes, ma'am.
And who will take care of your son if you work abroad?
My mother and my sister.
Do you have work experience as a domestic helper abroad before?
Yes, ma'am. 2 years in Kuwait and 2 months at Hong Kong.
Okay, so please tell me about your employers. Your employers in Kuwait are how many members in the family?
My employers in Kuwait, they are 4 members, 2 children. The one is the 2
Okay.
months and 2 years old.
Okay, so it means they have 2 children. The eldest is 2 years old and the youngest is 2 months old,
Yes, ma'am.
right? Okay, so what are your household chores?
Taking care of the children, cleaning, ironing, cooking, and washing.
Okay, so is there another helper in your employer household?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so in Hong Kong, please tell me about your employer.
In Hong Kong, they have 4 members. One couple and 5 years old and 7 months. Baby.
Okay, so and is there another helper in your employer household?
No, ma'am.
So it means you are the only one taking care of the need of the 7 months old of the children and all the household chores. So and what are your other household chores?
Cooking, cleaning, ironing, washing, and marketing.
Okay, so and why is it that you take only for 2 months to work with your employer in Hong Kong?
The reason I don't know, ma'am, because they not talk to me about the reason why they terminate me.
Okay, so how would you describe your previous employers?
They are good to me, ma'am.
Okay, so is there, oh, by the way, how would you describe yourself as a worker?
I am hardworking, I can work under pressure, and I can manage my time and happy person.
Okay, so do you have any tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Did you undergo any kind of surgery before?
No, ma'am.
And why do you want to work abroad again?
I want to work abroad because I want to build our own house.
Okay, so are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of a baby in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you sing a nursery song for baby or kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please give me example.
5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell down and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed.
Okay, thank you. Do you have a food allergy?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to share a room with the kids and elder in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you okay if your day off is not Saturday or Sunday?
Yes, ma'am.
Would you accept no day off but instead to be paid by your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
And if you're homesick, would you break your contract and insist to return home?
No, ma'am. I will focus on my work.
Okay, so would you like to work with an employer who has many children?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of an elderly also?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to get up early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you smoke or drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so do you have a full consent of your live-in partner and family to work abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please say a short message to your future employers.
Hi, ma'am. Hi, sir. If you choose me as your domestic helper, I will finish my contract and I will extend if needed. I am trustworthy, responsible, and honest person. I can work with less supervision.
Okay, so could you promise also to your future employer that you will love their children like your own child?
Yes, ma'am.
And you will serve them with all your heart?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that's all for today and thank you for coming.